Hello everyone, welcome back to previous viewers and welcome to new viewers. I hope everyone enjoys the video today. Let's get started with this 1974 Bradley GT listed for $6,500 US in Minster, Ohio. It's been driven 54,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1974 Bradley GT in excellent condition, fresh motor, new wheels and tires, nice interior and paint, lowered 2 inches, no doors, $6,500 or best offer or trade. And up next we have this 1975 Porsche 914 with a wide body kit listed for $25,000 US in Vaughan, Ontario. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description, 1975 Porsche 914 with a wide body kit, 1.8cc 4-carb setup, new floor, new interior, new tires, Tennessee title. Alright, up next we have the Chevrolet Cheetah replica, listed for $12,000 US in Findlay, Ohio. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, has a bill of sale from the manufacturer, Shelby Valley Fiberglass, 1963 327 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, roof with removable T-top.
Three, two, one, go!
Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford Model T T-Bucket, listed for $26,000 US in Castle Rock, Colorado. It is an automatic transmission and from the seller's description, hot rod, go-kart, and mini trailer combo, 1923 T-Bucket, Chevy 350 engine, TH350 transmission, fiberglass body on a Z or Z frame, the body is wrapped in vinyl, clean Colorado title. Included is a 1923 T-Bucket go-kart replica with a 6.5 horsepower Honda engine and a small trailer to hold the go-kart. $26,000 buys all three. Alright, a second Porsche for the day, a 1957 Porsche 356 Coupe replica, listed for $47,000 US in Perry, Indiana. It is a manual transmission and from the seller's description, 1957 Porsche 356 Coupe replica, Subaru powered, freeway flyer 4-speed, stainless tubular frame, adjustable shocks, Willwood brakes, real 356 seats, Iowa title. Alright, here we have a 2017 Factory 5 Shelby Daytona Type 65, listed for $99,000 Canadian in London, Ontario. It's been driven 650 kilometers and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1965 Shelby Daytona Coupe replica, a Factory 5 Mark I, titled 2017, completed in 2025, registered in Ontario, Ford 347 stroker, Tremec TKO manual, Willwood 6-piston front and rear discs, Open to trade plus cash. And here we have a Ferrari Dino 246 GT replica, listed for $18,500 US in North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. Ferrari Dino kit car based on a Fiero GT, 5-speed, rear-wheel drive V6, disc brakes, runs, drives, and stops, clean title. Alright, this one is a project. Here we have a Laser 917 kit car listed for $1,700 US in St. John's, Michigan. Its condition is listed as used fair, and from the seller's description. Vintage Laser 917 kit car body and tube chassis, was powered by a Chevy Corvair motor, have new side windows and headlight covers. What you see is what I have, has a title. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1933 Factory 5 Ford Roadster, listed for $26,000 US in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. 1933 Ford Roadster, C3 Corvette chassis, Factory 5 kit car. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.